Disha, your digital coach. Today, I really want to share some kind of a knowledge related to the people who are looking for digital marketing career and those who are a student and they are looking for digital marketing course or the institute. There are so many people who text me and ask me which course should I follow, which institute should I go in Pune or Mumbai, or what are the online websites available for digital marketing courses. So if you understand some little theory about digital marketing, if you search something on the Google, you will start getting their notifications related to that subject, and same happens with you also. Like you search digital marketing courses near me or in Pune or something like that, and then you will start coming with like so many advertisements related to the courses. And also the online websites, they will offer you the some kind of courses at 799 or 699 or just 99 rupees. So these are some kind of advertisements which are based on the keywords, right? So I will really tell you, like, don't go into this kind of a stuff or this kind of a scam. Even if they are doing some kind of affiliate marketing and they are selling someone else product, like someone else course to you in the cheaper value, and they will offer you some kind of a discounts to it. So this is really a scam. And even if you avail to that courses or enroll to that courses, and you will start learning from it, you will stuck somewhere, and then you will try to go to somewhere like a digital marketing consultant or who is into this field since long time. So this is something like they are providing you any kind of a knowledge which is very scattered. And I'll tell you, yes, there is a lot of information available on any of the website or like digital marketing videos on YouTube, and they provide you lot of knowledge about digital marketing. But you know what, we need a flow or a process of learning something, right? Even if you are learning some kind of recipe, you need some basic ingredients, right? So same thing happens with this course also. Just like you are into engineering since last 4 years, and still you are not getting why you are doing engineering. Same thing happens with every skill and every field, right? So even if you attain 4 years of college and then you don't get what actually I have learned in this 4 years. Similarly, if you go into this kind of a courses, and you will learn some kind of a theories, and then you will not know that where should I apply this, right? So basically you need some case studies, you need some practical knowledge. So for that you need to go to some kind of agency, or you need to join some kind of good agency which do digital marketing. Mm, and then you will learn some practical stuff over there, then you can start your own. It's not like you just learn something from any of the online courses, or just went to some kind of a institute and learned the basic theories and then you start applying it. It's not like that. You need to spend some kind of years and take some kind of experience in it. Even if you do it from home, you need to go into that field, you have to dig a practical knowledge, you have to apply the things which you have learned theoretically. Then and then only you can like be pro in this digital marketing field. Similarly, in the first step, when you are going to these kind of courses and enrolling to these courses and learning some new knowledge, but then you will see that you are not getting the right, like, even if you learn some kind of SEO and you don't know where to do those changes, like, you know, backlinking things, like, you have learned that backlinking chapter, and then you really don't know where to apply it, and you don't have any website right now, and then you don't know what is the difference after backlinking thing, or what I'm getting, like, as a result, what I'm watching, right? So basically, even if you go to any kind of a institute, or you learn some kind of digital marketing courses, then you should keep some kind of budget for applying this theoretical knowledge to practical things. Just like if you have learned the website designing thing through WordPress in your institute or online courses which you have enrolled to, but then you have to challenge yourself and do those website designing stuff by own, so that you will learn how to apply this theoretical knowledge practically. So you have to keep some budget for those practical things also, just like website designing, and for that you need a domain and hosting things, and how to connect those domain and hosting servers. So these kind of stuff you won't get it theoretically, you have to apply it practically. And for that you need like I'm saying, to keep some kind of a budget for that. And right now, even if you have enrolled to some kind of online courses, then go through it, learn some kind of a knowledge, like theoretical knowledge, and then try to apply it, because only theoretical knowledge is not going to do like for longer time. And get some knowledge, join some kind of agency and get their good practical knowledge and handle some brands over there, and then you will get to know what to do exactly in the digital marketing field. mm, so yes, I hope all the students are getting the things what they need to follow. And right now, even if you have interested in this digital marketing field, and in this quarantine time you have not joined any kind of scam related courses, just 99 or 799 wale courses, so that is good for you. Go and get some kind of free knowledge which is available on the internet, but later on join some kind of a institute, or the people who are taking classroom lectures for digital marketing, and then gain your knowledge, or and then start applying for any kind of a consultancy, digital marketing, advertising consultancy, and then try to go for freelancing thing or freelancing career in digital marketing. So I guess this is enough for you guys, and start to gain some knowledge. And I have also started my YouTube channel, Digital Direction, so there I'm going to provide you the basic knowledge of digital marketing. Then also I will tell you, go and join some kind of institute or